How to create a budget tracker in Google Sheet. Want to track your spendings without fancy app? Build your own budget tracker in Google Sheet. It's free, customizable, surprisingly fun to set. Firstly, open your spreadsheet and then over here at the top you can see the templates and a blank spreadsheet. Over here you can see annual, calendar and budgets, and there are more templates for budgeting only. Here you can see annual budget, monthly budget, which budget are you planning for? Are you planning for a travel plan or annually budgeting your finances? Then you can choose. Let's go for monthly budget. Here you can see starting balance, ending balance. You can add accordingly. Expenses, planned, actual, and then different. And then what are your incomes? It's already given over here. Now you can also create a new sheet and then enter whatever details you want: income, expense, loss or profit, and then use the formulas. Calculate, like over here you can see, is equals to sum and then sum if, and then you can use all the conditions and formulas, some product, like that you can calculate your budget.